So in this is the same question we had done earlier. All the things are same. This is the condition for no load and this is the condition for load. But in the previous question flux is constant, and in this question they said flux weakens by 3%. So that means phi2 is equal to 0.9751. So we need to just change in this one only. Phi2 is equal to 0.79751, and 2 we need to calculate it. N1 is already given, that is how much, 1000 rpm. Phi2 is 0.9751 divided by phi1. Phi1 would be cancel out. We have calculated E2 value by the formula V minus IARA. IA is different. Again IA is equal to IL minus ISH for no load, and E1 is equal to V minus IARA. Again this IA would be different because of the load current. Okay, this type of question will definitely come in your exam because this type of question is important.